Onyeze, I think you need to take another wife. Since Ugezu has not been able to give you an heir to the throne.
His Royal Majesty Eze Okaria Onowu Udemba is right. And as the custom and tradition demands, failing to produce another heir to the kingship will automatically means that what? His kingship will go to another family. That's the tradition for you and custom.
Ijowa. Ogagidehu Olawazu. I followed the advice of you, my cabinet members, that I should take another wife. What was the reason? That Okwesilieze, my queen then, would not be able to give me an heir to the throne, which she later did. I watched him grow up. I nurtured him, but all of a sudden, death visited and took away my son, took away my heir. As if that is not enough, mysteriously, I loved my beloved wife, Okwesilieze, Odogunwai. Oh! Ugezu, the woman you, Onowu Udemba, recommended for me to marry. I've lived with her now for the past 15 years. She have never taken in, not to talk about miscarriage.
Ezo Okaria, it is not for us, mortal, to decide who we procreate. It is in the hands of the gods. That is why it is called mystery. Yes.
Oh no, you're right. Yeah. Onyeze, that the second one failed does not mean we should not try again. We keep trying and trying until we will succeed.
Oh no. Ichembanefo. Yes. I've heard what both of you said. I will think about it.
Do not only think about it, do something about it. Unless you want the kingship to go to another family.
Okaria, I hope you are not thinking of doing what the elders in council are asking you to do, because I will not allow that happen.
Ugezu, retire to your hut. Let me think of a way out of my predicament.
Okaria, I said I hope you are not thinking on doing what the elders in council are asking you to do.
Wait. Ugezu, did you by chance eavesdrop on me and my cabinet members earlier today?
Whether I eavesdropped or not, that is not the issue on ground now. The issue is that you are not going to do what the elders in council are asking you to do. Yes.
And if I may ask why?
Because I, Ugezu, the queen mother of this kingdom, will not allow that happen.
And yes. I ask again why? Is there anything I'm supposed to know? Is there anything you're not telling me, Ugezu? Talk to me now.
I have already made my stance on this.
Now listen to me. You are not in the position to tell me what to do. And don't allow me consider you an enemy to the throne. Tomorrow I'm sending words to my cabinet members.
Father, please, permit me to follow my heart. I beg you.
My prince, Amaka is a good choice than the slave girl.
Mmirioma is a better choice for me. all my life, you and mother have made choices for me. I have never complained. This is a matter of the heart. And I am a man now. All I ask is that you allow me make this choice for myself. Please, I beg you.
Over my dead body. For me to allow you marry that slave.
Mother, this is a matter of the heart. And I will not allow you to toss with my emotions over whatever secret Ned is blackmailing you with. I will go ahead and marry Mmirioma without thinking what you want.
Son, I will support you. You have my consent.
Father, thank you.
Yes.
My heart is gladdened.
Yes.
Thank you, Father.
Ezake Buchonwa, I disapprove of that. And I'm surprised at you. My husband. How can you be so insensitive and unreasonable?
Woman, watch your tongue. Watch your tongue.
How can you support your son, the heir apparent to the throne, to rule this kingdom with a slave?
As long as it makes him happy.
No way!
As long as it makes him happy.
No way!
Son,
Father,
I support you. You have my consent.
thank you. Obim, I'm super excited. I've brought good news.
What?
My father has approved us getting married.
Is it like? Is it like? Hey!
Yes.
The gods are indeed wise.
The gods are wise and I love you so much.
You love me so much? Are you sure it's true love you feel for me? Or mere pity?
Mmirioma, I have loved you from the very day I set eyes on you. I've come to develop these strong feelings of affection for you. And for the first time in my life, I am making a decision without my parents trying to impose someone else on me. It means a lot.
Come with me.
To where?
Just follow me. Follow me.
No, did you see that? Where could she be taking him to?
I blame this on your father. He gave her this opportunity. But trust me, I will clip her wings.
No, you better clip those wings, oh. Clip those wings, oh. How can I be dragging my man with a slave girl?
Leave that to me. All right? Let's go. This is unheard of. Eh? My husband, it is not possible. No, this is so wrong. You cannot play a father figure to a slave. Your slave, Mmirioma, whatever her name is called, is nothing but a slave.
Ned, we are talking about a maiden who calls me father. Is there anything wrong in playing the father figure to the one that calls me father?
Yes, because she's not your daughter. And she will never be your daughter. She's a slave.
By whatever interpretation you want to give it, Mmirioma is my daughter. And I am going to receive her bride price from the royal family. Is there anything wrong in that?
Everything is wrong with it. Everything is wrong with it because she's your slave. And I will not watch and see that happens. Never. The prince must marry my daughter and not her.
The only thing I will tell you, Neddy, is rest. I
will not rest. I will not rest. Not under my watch. The prince will never marry her. The prince must marry my daughter and not Mmirioma. She's nothing but a slave. She's a slave.
My elders. About what we discussed last time. I've come to the conclusion that I will do it.
Why are you talking? Huh?
I said lies! Never!
Ugezu, how come you barge into the council meeting of the cabinet members to disrupt everything we are doing here? What importance?
Remember, pocket your mouth inside your cloth. I will not have you retired old fools coming to run my home for me. Pocket your mouth inside your cloth if you know what is right for you.
You called us retired old fools? Huh?
What?
Ugezu, have you lost your senses? How dare you insult my chiefs? Now apologize to them.
As our career, I'd rather die than do that.
Now get out of my presence before I lay a curse on you. Now leave!
As our career, if you think I will sit here and allow you bring in another woman into this kingdom, then as our career, you have to think and think twice. Yes. Udemba, Adambanefo, please leave us alone. Leave us alone! Go and run your own families for crying out loud!
Ugezu, why do you disrupt the meeting of council of elders? Eh? With such impetus? But have you forgotten, Ugezu, that I brought you into this palace? Huh?
You brought me into the palace to curse my heart? You brought me into the palace to curse my heart?
Ugezu, we have been patient enough for you for 15 years. We can't continue to wait. The throne of Akamini will not sink into oblivion or go into extinction.
Enough, Udemba!
Woman, how dare you insult Udemba? You gave him that name? What nonsense?
Look who is talking. Just look at who is talking. The one who cannot father a child, yet had 7 sons, Joe Akuma the blacksmith, is talking to the Queen Mother Ugezu. But therefore, are you the father of your 7 children? Answer me! Are you the father of your 7 children? Do they have your blood flowing in their veins?
Woman! Be careful. Be very, very careful. Igwe, are you seeing this? Be very careful, woman.
Oh no, Ugebge, my friend. My son, the crown prince, and the heir apparent to the throne of Mbanago, has taken a decision in taking the slave maiden in your house as a wife. Do you have such idea?
Yes, Onyeze. I am very much aware.
And what's your take on that?
Your Majesty, I do not have any problem. A man who is a man should not hold any opinion or a private decision made by another man on something that concerns him privately. On that note, I will be very delighted to receive Mmirioma's bride price from the prince.
And I thank you, my friend. I thank you.
No, Your Majesty, you don't need to thank me. Because the prince you are talking about is like a son to me. And I am delighted that finally, Mmirioma, my daughter, is the chosen one.
Thank you, my friend. Oh no, Ugebge. Oh no, Ugebge.
My very good friend.
Hey, that's my friend.
And I will inform my family about this decision. And we are going to start to prepare so that anytime you indicate interest that you are coming, we are going to be waiting for you.
In a fortnight, we shall be there.
Yeah.
For the wine carrying of Mmirioma. With my cabinet and everybody.
Thank
there.
you very much.
Oh no, Ugebge.
My very good friend.
It will be great that day.
Like I said, we will be waiting.
Thank you.
Ugezi kwuonu. Inyonshinono. How can a male woman who squat and urinate stand before the king and the cabinet members and utter such insults on the cabinet members? Eh? Ugeze, Inawara, you don't even have one iota of respect for your husband. Hey!
Udemba, if I may ask, which husband?
Igwe here.
Igwe. When the woman speaks the truth, she has not become the woman that cuts and pee. Udemba, tell me if all I have said about Mbanefo, if they are lies. Akuma is well and alive, so anybody that cares should go and make his findings.
Shut up!
Don't dare you try to shut me up, or I will tell every ears that cares to listen how you have been sleeping with Iwodebe's widow.
Ugezu, what is wrong with you? You come here and accuse everybody. Can you prove what you're saying?
As a career, I can prove it beyond every reasonable doubt. Yes, those who have logs in their eyes should not bother removing the sand from other people's eyes. Igwe, what the cloth covers is massive.
Enough of this your nonsense. Now, Ugezu, now leave my side before I lose it. Leave my side.
Igwe, tell these old fools to leave us alone. Tell them to leave us alone.
Leave my presence before I order the guards to leave. Leave!
I should leave your presence.
Leave my presence before I order the guards to throw you out. Nonsense. And this rude behavior of yours must be punished according to our tradition. What kind of nonsense is this?
We have not seen this kind of thing.
What rubbish is this?
Is she mad or something?
People of Managu Kingdom, listen! The king has instructed me to bring this to your notice. The day, the appointed time, the day Prince Ebuka will be taking Mmirioma's hand in marriage. Mmirioma, the slave maiden in Olowu Ibekwe's household, in marriage. And Orokoribeya, you all are invited, including me. Mwah.
Mmirioma. Hey.
But how come a slave girl? I was thinking it's going to be the Onowu's daughter.
Ejom Junior. No, if you ask me, who do I ask? Ejom Junior.
Hey. This is not a good one for Amaka. Who would have believed after the show-up and feelings, the prince would choose a slave over her?
Well, as for me, I can't wait to laugh at scorn.
This is so surprising.
I said it that girl Amaka will never smell that palace. She have been busy raising her shoulder up, gallivanting, raising her shoulder as the most superior maiden of this kingdom, while the prince is craving for the slave.
You see, I'm going now. This is the best news I've had for today.
Let me go and prepare and go for my brother. Follow. Let me go and prepare for the wedding. Did you hear that?
Anolomian, I heard it. Dimoma, Prince Ebuka, and Mmirioma. Hey! Amaka will not survive this, so that I'm sure of.
But let me ask you, which man will marry that ill-mannered maiden?
Ojoka.
Eh?
Just say.
You think if you were like her, I will marry you? I'll not come to you.
You know I'm not like Amaka. Eh?
Chiamaka.
No.
Chiamaka.
No one. Hey.
Kaigaba.
Ina no nya ka na-ekwu. Eh? Asị na ijiji na-eshi ntị na-ese ụzọ ana n'iyi.
Bechi.
Atụọla ọmalụ, atụọla ofe ka ofe n'isi n'ọfịa. Mgbe m na-agwa ya, ntị ya ọ na-asụ ya uru na ntị. Olugo n'omume.
Chiamaka. Kaigaba.
Amaka, I've been calling you.
Amaka, where are you going with the pot?
I want to go and fetch water with you now. Are you surprised?
Fetch water with me? I'm surprised though, but what the mangwano, thank you so much.
I am happy for you. Tomorrow you are getting married to the prince. Do you know what that means? All I have to do is to accompany you to the river to ease off your stress.
Eh? Chai, Amaka Dalorine, I am so happy.
It's nothing.
You see, in this life, there is no better friend and there is no permanent enemy.
You can say that again. See, I am sorry for everything that I've done to you.
Chai.
I didn't mean to do those
No,
things.
it's not a problem. You know, go, you're my sister. Oh,
yeah, let's hurry and go. You know, we'll go plenty times.
Yes,
So just tomorrow. So after finishing this one, we'll go back, right?
Yes, we'll go back. You can go like 3 times.
Finally, I'm getting married to the woman of my dreams. Mmirioma, Achalugu wine. Elelebe jolum. I can't wait. Aha. No, don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
You can go. You. Huh? Nkukaraka. Mmirioma, I can't wait.
That reminds me. My husband, I've informed all your brother's wives that will assist us in cooking tomorrow.
You have done very well. What we are planning is royal marriage and it has to be very loud.
Of course. We are preparing well for the royal family.
Yes.
And Mmirioma.
Thank you. That's why we are doing my nails to look very clean. Very important.
Exactly.
What is it? Who is after you? Why are you panting? What happened?
It's Mmirioma. I think calamity has befallen our household.
What does that mean?
Amaka, what calamity are you talking about? Where is Mmirioma?
Mmirioma is dead.
Because of my fathers.
I don't understand. How do you mean?
We went to the stream to fetch water. So while we were there, I was busy with my own pot trying to fill it. Then Mmirioma said that she wanted to swim. I didn't say anything. She dived in and started swimming.
Wait a minute. Swimming? Does she know how to swim?
I was surprised, didn't I? But while we were walking down the stream, she said something that I've never heard of. She told me that that she's a maiden from the waters, Nam.
It's again. Now, Mmiri.
Yes, Nne. You will not believe it. She told me herself. That she didn't. Nobody told me.
Can you forget all this nonsense narration that you're giving me? Where is Mmirioma as we speak?
My husband, what do we tell the royal family? How do we explain this calamity to them?
What kind of misfortune is this? What are we going to call this now?
My husband, where did you buy her from?
What kind of fortune is that?
You did not hear what Amaka said. She told her that she was from the river. Probably she must have gone back to where she came from.
Nnedi, I need to understand exactly what you are trying to say. What?
What I'm trying to say is that she came from the water. And it's possible she has gone back to her.
Shut up! Shut up! Could this be what you are planning to tell the royal family when they arrive? Could this be? Shut up! Shut up!
Hey!
Timo! My prince! My prince! My prince!
What is it?
Mmirioma!
What happened to Mmirioma?
Mmirioma got drowned in the river.
What? Which river?
Mirago River!
Mirago! Mmirioma! Mmirioma!
My husband, I am happy. Reason, my son is getting married to the most beautiful maiden, though a slave. It doesn't matter. Hey, I'm happy. Oh, you know, Hey.
Prince Ebuka deserves it.
Yes, my husband.
He deserves to be happy.
Exactly. Hey.
Father.
My son. My son. Why are you crying like a baby?
My prince.
Chetana, what happened to your friend?
Have you two gone dumb? Who will tell me what is happening? Why is your body wet? Have you by chance gone to Miriago to swim or what? Talk to me!
Igwe, Mmirioma is dead.
What?
My prince, I brought your food. My prince, your food.
Take the food away. I'm not hungry.
But my prince, you've not had anything to eat all day. Please.
Are you daft? Take the food away. I said I'm not hungry. Get out! Just go. Leave me alone.
Prince Ebuka, why did you do that? I mean, you shouldn't have sent her away. She was only here to save you.
I don't want food. I just want my Mmirioma.
Mmirioma is dead and...
No, don't ever say that again. She's not dead. My Mmirioma is not dead. She's alive. Just find out for me, please.
The truth. She's dead.
If you say that again, I'm going to leave this hut for you. She's not dead. She's not dead.
Sorry. Sorry, stop crying. Stop crying. Everything will be okay.
Chika, something bad has happened.
What do you mean? What happened?
Mmirioma is dead.
What?
She drowned in the river of Mirago.
My God. No wonder the prince asked me out of his sight when I brought his food.
You mean the prince asked you out of his sight?
Eziokwu kanna awagi. He said I should get out. And he was even crying. Hey. Chimo.
I feel for him.
Hey.
Gods of Allah.
Mmirioma, you left me. You drowned in this river. Our union will no longer hold. We were supposed to get married today. Now I'm all alone. I will forever miss you, Mmirioma. I will miss you.
I do not believe that Mmirioma is dead. Indeed, my brother truly loved her. He has been a ghost of himself ever since her death.
Oledo.
Mother.
Prince Ebuka is not in his chambers. Do you have idea where he has gone to?
No, I don't.
Hope is not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
Let it not be that my son has drowned himself in Mirago as well.
What? Mother, please, how can you say a thing like that?
Where is he? Where is Ebuka?
No, my brother cannot get drowned. No!
Where is he? Ebuka. Hey.
What are you doing here, Chiamaka?
I know that you're having a hard time, my prince. But shutting everyone out, rejecting food, and all of that will not help you out of this situation.
Please, I want to be left alone.
But how am I supposed to leave you alone like this? My prince, I am only here on a harmless consolation visit. My family is grieving too, yet I am here. Have you forgotten Mmirioma was our servant?
Oh, please, leave. Just go, please.
Are you asking me out of your heart?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait. I learned you went to Mirago with Mmirioma the day she drowned.
Yes, I followed her to the stream to fetch water with her.
Then you came back and told us a story of how she went to fetch water, abandoned the fetching of water and started swimming, what she has never done before.
That was exactly what happened, my prince.
Chiamaka, look into my eyes and tell me exactly what happened at the stream. You have never gone to Mirago before to fetch water. You do not even do chores. Neither can you lift a pin. Tell me what happened to Mmirioma.
Ugezu, I am losing my patience. Can you tell me why you don't want me to take another bride that will give me an heir?
It's Okaria. But who says I cannot give you an heir? I can.
Oh, you can? And why haven't you given it to me? Knowing that is what I crave for. I have waited for so long. I can wait no longer. Listen. I am getting close to my grave. And I don't want to leave an empty throne. I cannot fail my ancestors. I need an heir.
It's Okaria. You know, nobody doesn't want. Eh? All I ask is time. Wait for me, please.
I have waited for 15 years. I don't have time any longer. I need an heir to the throne of my forefathers. I cannot fail my ancestors.
Why did you go to Mirago that morning? To carry out your evil plot, I guess.
What are you insinuating? That I have a hand in what happened to Mmirioma or
you
what?
You hated her guts. You hated the fact that I chose her over you. So you drowned her so that I can come for you, right?
Excuse you! I beg your pardon, Prince Chukwuebuka. How dare you accuse me like that? Yes, I followed her to the stream to ease off her pain, to ease off her stress. For once I wanted to be nice. For once I wanted to treat her like she's my sister. But what do I get in return? Allegation?
Chiamaka, you can deceive everybody but not me, Chukwuebuka. Look, let me tell you, you will appear before Otutu Aja to swear your innocence before the dreaded Ugezu.
I will even appear before the deities and the gods of the entire kingdom to swear and prove my innocence.
Ogini. Eh? What is it? Amaka, talk to your mother. What is the problem? Okay, come and sit. Oh? Come and sit, please. What is it? Please tell me, what is it?
Prince Ebuka is accusing me of killing Mmirioma.
What?
He's insisting that I must swear to prove my innocence before the dreaded Ugezu.
You cannot swear.
I have to swear. I have to swear to prove my innocence to him. Remember, he's the one that I want.
Are you sure about this? But that was not why you went there. You were asked to go help him relieve his heaviness.
Exactly the reason I went there, Nne. But on getting there, he changed and started accusing me of killing Mmirioma. He said I intentionally killed her, so you have no option than to pick me as his bride.
My husband, can't you see that we are gradually losing our son? I am scared.
Oma Sereze,
Igwe.
Our son in the last 2 years has lost 2 maidens to death.
Igwe, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. That is the reason the gods did not choose another maiden for him. But Amaka, the Onuwu's daughter, is the best for her son.
Our son he's still mourning his loss.
Igwe, what are you saying? Who? Our son, mourning who? A slave from nowhere.
But that slave would have been his bride.
My husband, on the contrary. Don't you think that she deserves what she got? Don't you? She deserves it.
Oma Sireze, let it not be what I am thinking.
What are you thinking? What are you thinking? That I have hand in what happened to her? Is that how low you think of me? Ha, Igwe, Akamadrokoya. I don't have any hand in whatever that happened to her.
Anyway, our son insists that Amaka will swear in the presence of Ugezu.
Swear? How?
Yes, mother.
Chukwebuka, how can you ask the future queen of this land to swear for nothing?
Firstly, I do not know who made Amaka the future queen of this land. And I do not believe that fairy tale of a story she told. Father, she is going to swear to prove her innocence. And if she is found guilty of having a hand in what happened to Mmirioma, I swear by the gods she will face banishment.
And I, Igwe Ake Buchionwa, will support it.
Eh? Hey.
None. Abela. My prince, are you sure you want her to go on this?
Yes, Akajiofo. Let her swear to her innocence.
But she is the one chosen for you by the gods.
Akajiofo, I beg to decline that she is the one chosen by the gods for me. Let her prove her innocence.
Amaka,
Akajiofo,
the dreaded Ugezu does not spare the guilt. Are you ready to go on this?
Yes, Akajiofo.
Come. You say you can swear. Take this. And repeat after me. I, Amaka, solemnly swear.
I, Amaka, solemnly swear.
On the dreaded Ugezu.
Dreaded Ugezu.
That if I have a hand.
That if I have a hand.
In the death of Mmirioma.
In the death of Mmirioma.
Strike me. Before the sunrise.
Strike me before the sunrise.
But if I don't have a hand, if I'm innocent.
But if I am innocent.
Spare my life.
Spare my life.
Na-anụgo ndị ibe anyị dị ochie. Na-anụgo ka o si kwu. Ka o si kwu ka o si mee. Anyị enweta ya. Isiokwu ka a na-enweta nwa ọkụkọ. Give me. All of you can go. You can go. Go. Yo go. Yo go.
Na Mike Asoka.
Can't
beat it.
Yes. It's a correct duty. Banefo. You said you have something to tell me.
Oh no. It's about your brother, His Royal Majesty Igwe Okaria.
What about him?
Considering what happened last time at the palace, I decided to come so we can devise a means to talk to His Majesty.
Talk to him about what?
Good. I think he should devise a means to have a secret wife who will bear him male children without the Ugezu knowing.
That is right. Why haven't I thought about this before? Yes, it's good. You see, Ugezu has failed me. She is a bundle of disappointment.
That one, I want to ask you, how come she knew what happened that day? How? Who told her all those things were saying that day? How did she know?
Well, I don't know. You know, Ugezu is a bona fide daughter of Akamili.
Even at then too? Even at then? See, she should be very, very careful. Though. Let her be very, very careful before she puts herself into trouble. Let her be very careful. Can you imagine that? My brother. You see a secret, pium. How did she know about it?
I don't know that she always spy at me whenever I want to enter into the widow's hut. Widow's house.
Okay, I see you. I'm not trying. Even I for.
I don't know.
Even I chop.
I don't know.
Hey,
I thought I was going alone. Ugezu, you have not ceased to be the sweetest.
Same with you, Demba. Who would have believed an old man like you is still this active and agile? I get to enjoy it with you more than Okaria. Yes.
Not talking about Okaria, my brother. Do you know, up till now, he does not know that I have been enjoying the woman in you. Well, Okaria is already a finished man. He will be killed without an heir. He will be killed the same way we killed Okwesileze, Prince Avamefune, and the princess. I am close to having the throne which was stolen from me by my stepbrother, Ugezu. Listen, as soon as I become the king, I will take you as my lolo.
Puta, come out from that place, come out. If you me boo, if you me again. Hello, if you me moon up, if you moon up,
Both of you have defied the royal household, and you no longer have any place in this kingdom. You are now banished from this kingdom. And if you are seen anywhere around this kingdom, you'll be buried alive. Guards! Lead them to the border. Make sure you lead them to the border of this kingdom. Let them never come back. Please!
Move! Ugebge, have mercy. Ugebge, because please. Move! Please! Move!
Ugebge, please.
My beautiful daughter,
Nam.
today is indeed your day. The day the gods set aside for you to be taken in as the chosen one. So I urge you to take this cup of wine as tradition demands and show us the man you have decided to spend the remaining days of your life with as his wife. The Bible right here.
Honestly, I'm excited you're following me to this thing.
I am more excited myself.
For the first time.
Child, at least I will do it and you see that I can actually do it.
One name. Hey, take it easy.
You do it all.
Take it easy. You know you're not used to.
But the slippers you said I should remove.
Nobody will take your slippers.
Okay, you say so. If they take it, you buy me a new one. Mmirioma. Mmirioma, you're using one hand though.
Yes, now I'm used to it.
Mmirioma, come and help me. The pot is very heavy.
Have you filled it?
I'm trying.
Die! Mmirioma, die! I cannot allow you to take my money away from me. Die! You deserve to die! Die, Mmirioma! Come on, My head.
Who are you?
Thanks to the gods, you are awake. My name is Ugebge, the fisherman that rescued you from Mmirioma. Tell me exactly what happened.
You rescued me?
Yes.
Thank you. I am Mmirioma, the slave from Ugebge's compound.
Ugebge? Why would someone want to hold such a beautiful maiden like you?
His daughter pushed me into the river. She tried to drown me.
Why?
Prince Ebuka.
What about him?
She's upset. The prince chose a common slave like me over her.
What?
The same way my father's wife paid some people to kill me over the same prince.
Your father's wife? I do not understand.
My father's wife paid some people to kill me, but they had mercy on me and sold me to the slave masters. That was when Ugebge bought me.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
My name is Princess Mmirioma, the princess of Akamiri Kingdom.
You are Mmirioma, the princess of Akamiri Kingdom, the daughter of Eze Okaria.
Yes, father. The same princess I was to marry. But when we got to Akamiri Kingdom, we were told that she was devoured by a wild animal.
Hey. So you knew?
Obin, why are we here?
I have a confession to make.
A confession?
But you have to promise me you won't tell anyone about it.
I cross my heart. I won't tell anyone.
I am Princess Mmirioma of Akamiri Kingdom.
What? The same princess I was supposed to marry?
Yes. You know we never met each other. It was our parents' desire for us to get married.
Yeah, but they told us you were devoured by a wild animal.
No. I am well and alive. Those my stepmother, Ugezu, paid to kill me, sold me into slavery.
From the first day I met you,
Princess.
I knew you were the one for me, but it was looking so impossible. Makana heguna tumo, oh love mo, iye chuku dero debo ya.
Okay.
What's happening? Confess! Mama, confess! Mama, confess!
Confess what?
Me and Lolo, they asked me to follow her to the stream and make sure I drown her in the river.
Hey!
Mother, you had a hand in this?
Igwe, Nedima was blackmailing me. So I have to join the plot to remove Mmirioma.
Hey!
Nedima was blackmailing you for what?
I knew it. I knew something was not right.
She killed your late father. Ezasamura. Yes.
Nedi, you advised me to kill him.
I was on my own, when she came and told me that her late father-in-law.
My friend, just look at you, shining like the morning sun.
I am not shining anything.
Ogenikwa, what is it? You don't look happy. What seems to be the problem?
It's not my father-in-law.
Eziasmoha. What about him?
That old man has refused to die to join his ancestors so that my prince will be the king.
But I think longevity is a blessing from the gods.
Nedima, that one is a curse, not a blessing. I just want him to die. I can't wait to be the next queen of this kingdom.
Then you should know what to do.
I don't know what to do. That is why I came to you. You mean I should kill him?
That's the only way your husband, the prince, will become the next king of this kingdom. Or don't you want to be the Lolo again?
I won't.
Omasireze, you killed my father.
My husband, I did it for you.
Keep quiet. I never knew you could do such a thing.
My husband, it's Nedima that advised me to remove Mmirioma and even bribe the Akajofo during the Amaka swearing.
Mother, I'm disappointed in you.
Here is my verdict. Nedima Omasiri, Amaka and Akajofo are banished from this kingdom.
Exactly.
Immediately. Guys, take them away.
Don't. My husband. I'm sorry.
Please, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Please. My husband.
I don't always do that. All forms of wickedness meted out on Mmirioma. I never knew it would get to the extent of my wife and my daughter plotting her death.
Let this pronouncement serve as a warning to all. Killing of anybody in this kingdom will attract banishment forever.
Yeah. Here you go. Look on here. Balloon. Go near the Look on here. Eh! Yo, go.
I see our future shining so bright. I feel the future when I look at you. I forum ginanya, I like a kangi, if I get masigomo. I forum ginanya, I love a kangi. If I get some of them more, this is our destiny, our destiny, our destiny, our destiny. This is our destiny, our destiny, our destiny, our destiny. I feel the gods are on my side, on your side, on your side. From the first day I met you, I knew you were the one for me, but it was looking so impossible. Makana heguna tumo, oh love mo, iye chuku dero debo ya, obimo, no one can say no. When the gods say yes, this is our destiny, our destiny, our destiny, our destiny. This is our destiny, our destiny, our destiny, our destiny. This is our destiny, our destiny, our destiny, our destiny. This is our destiny, our destiny, our destiny, our destiny. I feel the gods are on my side, on your side, I feel the gods are on my side, on your side.